Yo, IG Reels, you know what time it is. No laughing, alright? Let's keep it cordial. Let's keep it serious, alright? Shit done got serious over here, you know what I'm saying? Let's keep it for real. Let's keep straight face. If you laugh, hit the subscribe. Don't fake it. If you giggled, hit the subscribe. I don't care about the likes. Don't like it. If you want to like it, thank you though. I still care. I'm just playing. Let's get to it.
I live a life, man, getting paid.
Damn it, Ramsey.
Fucking it up for me, G. Y'all ain't never, ever.
Bro,
break
shorty.
away from that. This that white people shit. Every time I have hope, G, you white.
Bro, that's so nasty, G.
And this guy right here?
Nope, not catching me.
Alright, let's give her a little test.
G,
Voice rattled out.
that mug finna explode.
it, baby? Alright,
Hey,
let's give
that car finna explode. He better not drive that anywhere. Kangaroos make noises?
After a bit of rain, mate.
He bulked up with his too. Yeah, do something.
It's alright. I'm getting out of your territory, don't worry. I'm going.
What the
Fucking way. I'm trying to go wash my fucking clothes, bro. I open this bitch. See some fucking. What the fuck? Hey, bro. Shit dirty as shit, bro. What the fuck, bro?
squat
way.
on
I'm
top
trying
of
to
the
wash
damn
my fucking clothes,
dryer?
bro. I open
No, that's
this
the
bitch.
washer.
See some fucking.
Squat on top of the washer and take a shit in it is crazy. What are y'all doing?
To conclude the
You
meeting.
forgot
barring
your
any
team.
questions. Actually, I have a question.
This fucking bitch.
What was that? And that's going to conclude the meeting, barring any questions.
Fire. Man.
Hell! Crap! Oh, shit! Oh! Oh, shit! Hell! Crap! Oh, shit! Oh!
Oh my gosh. Hey. Don't put your hands on women, bro.
Do his ass, Cam. What that nigga
Okay.
dick in your mouth? What's up, Cam? Do his ass, Cam. What that nigga dick in your mouth? What's up, Cam?
Pause? The fuck they got going on over there? You going to prison? Bro. Bro. Bro, this shit not funny, bro. This somebody grandma, bro. I'm clicking off of this, bro. Why the fuck would you Why would you send me that, bro?
Kids out of hand, son. Niggas be trolls, son. Look at your man, son. Look at your man, son. Trolling, son. Niggas be mooks, bro. Look at him.
He talking about
Shit,
mooch.
son. Literally, nigga made a tattoo on his waistline and make it seem like he got a thong on, bro.
Bro, come on, bro. They ruthless with this, bro. No way. He talking about niggas is mooch. Alright, man. Back serious. You ain't think about that when you came across the... Oh. Bro, whoever screamed, bro. Whoever screamed. Sorry, bro.
Free dirt! Free dirt! Heard what I said? Free dirt! Free dirt!
Word.
Free dirt! Heard what I said? Free dirt! Free dirt!
Word.
Free dirt! Heard what I said?
Got his ass muffed. He hit him with a shit.
I don't know.
Shit! It hit him in the chest.
Damn, it knocked you out? Egg roll, nigga.
Bro, why the fuck you, bro?
Fuck your egg roll, nigga.
I'm about to shoot your ass.
Fuck your egg roll, nigga.
Bro. Cat litter, G? That shit finna stink. That shit finna smell horrible. And it's gonna stick with the cat litter. You know the cat litter is gonna bulk it. It's gonna bulk it up, make that shit stick. Oh, they poured it on.
Bro, can you stop?
Talk about, bro, can you stop? I'd have been freaking the hell out.
Merry Christmas. Bro told me to wake up.
Trying to run from the police too, G? He tweaking. He overly bussing. Ain't no way. Hold on, was that a python? Nigga tweaking.
Y'all wanna go shopping? I'm gonna pay for everything.
What's that?
Steak. Y'all got 500 each.
Okay, are you joking?
I'm not capping. Y'all got a big one. With that right there, you look good in this. Honey, go ahead. They call me like they call me like the hood Mr. Beast. Yeah, get some Birkins. They're so happy. Should I get some jewelry on their ass? If I hit right now, you get another pair of shoes. If I hit right now, alright?
What? You said if I hit, I get another pair of
Pair of
shoes.
shoes. The hit right now on Steak. Shout out to fucking Steak. You said what makes me do this? Steak. 300.
1,500.
1,500. What?
Still only 1,500.
Oh, wait, why is it doing that? Why is it doing that shit?
Bro, where y'all going, bro? Bro, why y'all
Trolled him.
leaving? Shit. Fix this shit, bro. Fix this shit, bro. What's wrong with this shit? Where they go? Which way?
She iced my shit again. I definitely can't tag her. There must have been an angel by my side. She did that good hair. You see the Mexican
Stupid.
Got him by the collar.
Now you crying like a bitch after you stole his shit. You stole his shit. Why you running, stupid? He told you to pay him. Now you crying like a bitch after you stole.
What's your barber name? What's your barber name? What's your barber name? What's your name? What's your street name? I did. See it from Ice Age. Look.
What's your real name?
What's your barber name?
Go this way now. Shut your door. Shut your door. Shut your door.
He trying to get on that plane, man. Let him on that plane.
Nobody going to Chicago. Period. Bitch. So. You got me fucked up. Watch out.
Damn.
Get your ass over there. Then watch out. Don't touch me, and I won't touch you. The fuck, nigga? You ain't got no right to put no hand on me. What's this black? Hey, it's not working. I'm getting my dog, okay, but it's not working. It's not working. Don't go to jail, nothing. Over anything. It just ain't working. You just gotta watch out. All right, but it ain't working. My shit.
He trying to talk him through it. Crackheads in Chicago are a different type of breed. Oh. No. Oh my gosh. I promise you, I grab that motherfucking monkey. Bro, somebody. Bro, I cannot look at the comments, bro. They messing it all up, bro. Somebody go put the San Andreas, dude.
So you still wearing that jacket?
Are you ready to go?
I'm saying you don't need to wear that jacket.
I know what I want to do.
Alright, go ahead.
Where she got on the...
Let me switch to my out of bounds and lob jumping menace. See, now they want to shoot threes, bro. Let me go get my 3-point backline snatch blocking Reaper. Also, now they only set screens. Let me get my screen smashing, levitating, stretch backline board enforcer, bro. So they want to throw lobs? Let me switch to my out of bounds.
How about laughing, bro?
See, now they want to...
Knock it down. Cash, yo. Knock it down. Cash. Okay. Clapping. Appreciate it.
Nothing beats a Jet2 holiday. And right now...
Yo te extrañaré.